Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to layer and arrange images in Google Slides in 2026, whether you're making a creative presentation, a school project, or a professional deck. Understanding how to work with images will really make your slides pop. We'll cover everything from adding images to arranging and layering them like a pro. First, open your Google Slides presentation by going to slides.google.com and signing in. To add an image, click on Insert, then Image, and choose where to get it from: your computer, Google Drive, or even search the web directly. Once your image is on the slide, you can click and drag to move it anywhere you like. Resizing images is easy too. Just drag the corners to scale them without stretching. You can also rotate images by clicking and dragging the rotation handle at the top. Now, here's where layering comes in. If you have multiple images, you can control which one appears in front or behind the others. Right-click on an image and select Order. Then choose Bring to Front, Send to Back, or use Bring Forward and Send Backward to adjust layers step by step. This lets you stack images creatively without messing up your layout. For more advanced arrangements, you can group images together. Just select multiple images by holding the Shift key, right-click, and choose Group. This way you can move or resize them as a single object. It's especially helpful when creating collages, overlapping shapes, or adding decorative elements behind text. Another tip is using transparent shapes or text boxes with images. This lets you layer text over pictures while keeping it readable. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, or transparency of images using the format options, which helps balance layered visuals and make your slide look polished. Finally, always preview your slide in present mode to ensure your layers and arrangement look perfect. Small adjustments can make a huge difference, so take your time aligning and stacking images. And remember, all of these tools are fully flexible, so experiment to find what looks best for your presentation. So that's a complete guide to layering and arranging images in Google Slides in 2026. With these steps, you can create visually appealing slides that really capture attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy